Hey guys, welcome back to the episode number 9. As promised into the last video, today I will talk more about custom admin menus. So let's get started. Also guys, if you missed the previous videos, then you can check those out from the suggested videos in the upper right corner of your screen. Alright, so in the last video I have shown you how you can add custom menus and custom submenus in the admin menu panel. Today we will work more on custom menus. Today we will add custom submenus into the already existing menus like under the settings or the tools or the plugins and themes as well. So let's begin with adding a custom submenu into the tools section. So let's open up the inc folder and into the menus, open the menus.php. So let's say if we go into the backend and let's say we want add a custom menu under the tools section. So what we can do, let's just copy the add submenu because we need that, and let's just change the admin.php to tools.php, and let's also say custom tool links, just change the flag, and we keep the title and the label name same, and the capability is manage options. We just change the page flag, and this time we need to change this callback function because we want something else to load in that template. So let's say my plugin custom, let's say tool link template callback, although we do not created that function. So let's create that as well. So let's say custom tool link template callback, and let's create the function here, and let's say just echoing out with the h2 tag and say, hey, I am from the custom tool link. So just save it, and let's head over into the admin panel again and hit refresh. And if you hover over, and as you can see at the right at the right at the bottom, a link has been added and it is custom link. And if you click on that, and it is showing the message from the template that we have defined. So this is how easily you can add any custom menu into the tools section as well. So now let's say you want a sub menu into the settings section. So let's see how you can do that. Alright, so let's copy this portion and paste it just below. And this time we want to change the the parent slug. So what will be the parent slug? So let's head over into the admin panel. If you hover it over and hover on the general, you will see options-general.php. So this should be your parent slug in order to create a submenu on that section. So let's say options-general.php, and let's say custom, just change this custom option links and change this one as well. So let's copy this function and just create another function here so that we can see that it's coming from that function. So let's try and say, hey, I am from the custom option link. Okay, so let's head over into the backend again and hit refresh. And if we hover over into the settings, we can also see at the right at the bottom there is a link and named it custom link. If you click on that, as you can see, it is saying, hey, I am from the custom option links. That means it is coming from that template callback function. Alright, So let's add a sub menu into the appearance now. So if you hover and over, and if you hover on the themes, as you can see, this time the slug is themes.php. So we can use this as a parent slug in order to add a sub menu into the appearance section. So let's head over into the code editor and just copy that one, and if you just change this one from theme.php, I believe, let's check that out, it's themes.php. So themes.php, and let's say custom theme link, and let's keep this one as same as it is, because we just want to show you the how you can add the link on that section, and you already know how you can create custom template for that specific link. So let's head over into the admin section and hit refresh, and if you hover over, you can see custom links has been added. So similarly, you can add on the plugins as well by just changing the themes from the plugins. Now you will see that it has been added in the plugin section as well. You can also add into the users, you can also add into the comments, you can also add into the media. So let's add a link into the media. So if you hover over, then you can see it is upload.php. So if we just provide the parent slug to upload.php and hit refresh, you will see we actually misspelled it. So let's correct that, upload, and then go to the admin area and hit refresh, and now as you can see the custom link has been added into the media section as well. So similarly, you can add anywhere actually, but let's say you want a custom link into the posts. So if you hover it over, then you can see edit.php. The parent slug at the bottom, if you can see, it is edit.php. So if we say edit.php, then if we hit refresh, then as you can see the custom link has been added into the posts as well. You can also add into the page section as well. So if we hover over, it will see it's a bit different, edit.php, then post type equal to page. So we need to provide all the all the address after the WP admin. So let's do that. Let's say edit.php and post type equal to page. So if you add this as a parent slug, then this link will be added as a sub menu into the page section. So let's hit refresh and hover on the page. As you can see, the custom link is now added into the page section as well. So I think you get the idea how we can add sub menus that already existing into the admin panel as well. And lastly, what I'm going to show you how you can add menus into the toolbar as well. So let's head over into the code editor, and okay, let's create a function at the bottom. Let's say add custom menus into admin toolbar. So let's create a function and say my plugin custom admin toolbar links. Okay, and we need to hook this function with a hook, and the hook name is admin bar menu. So let's add action and say admin bar menu, and let's provide the function name here, and we need to define the priority. Let's say it's 100, and it also returns a parameter, so it is admin, let's say admin bar. All right, so now let's start adding our custom menu. So add menu, it's an object, so it has a add menu method, and it takes some parameters, and it takes basically an array, and inside that array we need to pass the ID. Let's say my item, and let's provide the title here. Let's say my item as well, and the next one is the link that you want to go, and let's put just a hashtag here. We just want to show the menu, and you need to provide some metadata as well, and it also takes an array, and let's just provide the title. This is for the title tag. So by adding this, I think we will be able to show a menu item into the admin toolbar as well. So let's hit refresh. All right, it is saying call to a member function add menu on null. So let's check that out, what is wrong. So let's head over into the code editor. All right, we actually misspelled this one. It should be admin bar, not the add menu. The function is the add menu. So let's check that out. Let's hit refresh, and as you can see, the my item has been added, and its link is just a hash, so it will not go anywhere. But what else I want to show you, I want to show you how you can add submenu as well. So let's head over into the code editor and just copy this out. Okay, and here we just need to pass another item, and we need to define the parent ID. So our parent ID is my item, so let's say my item, and let's change the my first item. So it is the submenu's ID, and this is the main parent ID that we want to add this as a submenu. And also let's let's just provide you can also provide a attribute like target if you want to open this in a blank tab. So let's say blank, and also you can even add class. Let's say my custom class. So let's find that out. Hit refresh. If you hover over, we can see the menu has been added, but I think we have labeled the both of them same. So let's change it. Let's say sub menu item, and it is also sub menu. And now let's go back and hit refresh, and as you can see, my sub menu has been added. So this is how you can also add your custom link or custom menu into the admin toolbar as well. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, then please hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest videos on time. Thanks for watching.